Okay, today we have an unboxing of a 1S charger. I've seen this on YouTube. It's supposed to be a really good charger. Does high voltage and regular. And it's the VIFLY whoopstor 3, and it came with the charger. Let's see what we get. Come with the adapters. Nice. Thank you card. A guide. Here's the USB-C to USB. It's pretty heavy. Comes nicely packed too. That is a nice looking charger. Okay.
Well, if you were here, I'm pretty sure this is the part where he'd say, the tutorial is over, guys. It's time to just go in. Alright, guys, so, yeah, the tutorial portion of this vlog is pretty much over. I think it's time to... What are you laughing at? What is he laughing at? The surprise finding was that 2 Omnis did even better than I was expecting, even when I was behind Tom Cruise. And if I wasn't making a video about this topic and I saw how good the performance was, I probably would.
I picked up this charger because I picked up Tattoo 300 milliamp high voltage batteries for my Sport Cub S2, the Hobby Zone, and I bought. It came in a 5-pack. There's 5 of them here. 5-pack. And this one here came with the charger. So we're going to check it now. Let's get some power. Okay. See how she works. Nice. It's already on high volt, 0.3 amps, 300. Should be BT2.
Today, there's a 2-shower situation. It was really hot. That spot was amazing. That might be my new favorite Florida spot. There's a lot to do. I've been looking for a spot like that here that has a lot of flow.
0.3 amps. We're going to charge it. Press start. Not bad. That's a nice little charger. And I like it because it does storage charge also. And this is what are these?
You say subscribe. You say subscribe. Meow. Meow subscribe. It's a couple days later. Vlog was already over, but today's
These
now
are
today's last day, so I wanted to make
2.0 to 2.0.
and I was hopefully make a couple more videos while you're here, but
Yes.
time just flew by. Time moved fast.
Why would they send this in there?
That's not even a question. To think about how many thousands of people would love to be put in my position, and I'm the one who gets to go, it means so much to me. You did great. It was awesome having you. Thanks for being here. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. Wish you were here longer, but you'll come back.
And now my batteries will last a lot more.
For one last rep, Danny's in town. We're trading one kit for the other. Alright, guys. For real this time. Oh, God. We'll see you later.
I was using the Venom Pro Duo and using this and setting the Venom Pro to high voltage and charging these with this. It still does the storage charging. Not too bad. So now I got this, is much easier. Very nice charger. VIFLY. whoopstor 3. Got it on Amazon. I think it was $37 with the DC adapter. And without the DC adapter, it was $32, $33. So I could charge all 5 of these at once. That's that one. Very nice charger. Good addition. Now I don't have to use the Venom. Okay, that's the unboxing of the VIFLY whoopstor 3. Came with power cable, little adapters, some instructions, and a thank you thing. But the display, pretty nice, I would say. It's kind of small, but still readable. Very good. Okay. Have a nice day. See you on a flight on the next video.